In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure you understand how to set up a board that perfectly suits your team's needs. First and foremost, you'll want to start by logging into your Jira account. This is a necessary step as creating boards is done within a project that you manage under your company profile. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all the magic begins. Now, look for the plus button located next to your company managed project. Clicking on this button is your gateway to creating a new board. It might seem small and easy to overlook, but it plays a significant part in getting things in motion for your project management needs. With that click, Jira will prompt you to select a type of board. This is where you need to decide based on your team's workflow. You have two primary options, a Scrum board or a Kanban board. If your team works in sprints, tackling specific tasks over set periods, then a Scrum board is likely your best choice. This kind of setup fosters efficiency, helps you keep track of your sprint goals, and boosts team collaboration. On the other hand, if your team's work is more fluid, with tasks coming in on a continuous basis, then a Kanban board may suit you better. This board is perfect for teams managing work without the need for time-boxed iterations, helping you maintain a steady flow of tasks with customizable columns to track your progress. Simply click on the type of board that aligns with how your team operates. This is your opportunity to tailor it to your preference, ensuring it reflects your workflow accurately. Next, it's time to give your board a fitting name. This name should be descriptive enough that your team immediately knows what the board is for. For example, you might name it Development Team Board if that's your focus area. Remember, a clear and concise board name will make it easier for everyone involved to quickly locate and use it efficiently. Once you have named your board, you need to determine what exactly you'd like to include. This could consist of specific projects, projects of a certain type, or even issues from various projects to keep everything under one roof. Finally, after you've configured these details, go ahead and click Create Board. This action locks in all your settings and makes your board available for your team to start organizing and managing their tasks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you successfully create a board in Jira, providing your team with a structured and efficient way to manage their tasks and projects. Whether it's a Scrum or Kanban board, you're now on your way to enhancing productivity and collaboration tailored to your team's needs. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.